Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the first Berserker KHAZAN avatar decoration by completing a Discord video quest. We haven't had a video quest in quite a few weeks now, so it is nice to see another one back up here because video quests are really short and they're really easy to do. They literally take a couple minutes and then you just get the free avatar decoration. But this one here is a new one for the new game, the first Berserker KHAZAN. For this avatar decoration. Looks like some sort of spear bear trap thing. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it looks interesting. So if you come to Steam here, you can actually see the game is on pre-order on Steam for $80 Canadian, which I think is like $60 or $60 or $70 American. I'm not sure exactly, one of those two. But nonetheless, though, the first Berserker KHAZAN is here, and it looks pretty cool on the Steam page here. Looks like some sort of Souls-like, but I'm not exactly sure. It looks pretty cool, though, and I know that it is being hyped up, as there is a lot of videos of different gamers trying out this game before it comes out. And the action looks incredibly brutal and fun. Anyways, though, you'll want to be on the Discovery tab, and under the Quests tab on your Discord app on the PC, or you'll be on the browser at discord.com/app. And then you'll just simply go and find this KHAZAN avatar decoration quest here, and you will click Start Video Quest. Once you click Start, the video will begin to play. It's only a minute this time, so it's literally you watch this for 60 seconds, and that's it, and you get the avatar decoration. As you're watching this, the bar on the top right will be filling up with a green circle, and once that is full, then you can click the claim reward button. So I will quickly watch this trailer here, and then we will skip forward when I actually get it. And there we go. So now we finished the video quest here, and we can see Fight, Fall, Rise. Again, if you click on here, you could actually visit their site and you could learn more about the games. You could pre-order it when it comes out if you are interested. It is on PlayStation, Xbox, and of course on Steam. So anyways, back in Discord here, we can now click on claim reward, and then we will verify, and it will give us it, and there we go. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks pretty clean, actually. It's not too bad. Looks pretty good. And of course, as always, it'll only last for the next 2 months upon you actually claiming it. So make sure to keep that in mind. It is not a permanent avatar decoration. But nonetheless, though, this is pretty cool for the upcoming game, the first Berserker KHAZAN. And if you do want to get the game, please check it out. If you're on PC, go check it out on Steam, because I think it's a pretty cool game, and you must pre-order it if you want to get the bonus rewards for pre-ordering. But anyways, though, that is how you get the new KHAZAN avatar decoration. If you haven't already, please join my Discord server. It is in the link in the description below. And please subscribe if you're not already for more Discord content and Discord tutorials, as that is what I do on this channel. Of course, with the extra bonus quest videos that I do in between tutorial videos to show you these new quests that come out, so you get these free avatar decorations for your Discord profile, because they are really cool. And I think that it's a really good idea for Discord by doing this, because it promotes different games and movies and TV shows, but it also gives you some good flair to add to your Discord account. On that note, I want to remind you, once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway in my Discord server for 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. So it is a pretty big giveaway, and I am really excited for it. So hopefully we can hit that goal pretty soon. But other than that, though, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.